Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete multiple posts on Facebook, updated for Android devices. Follow these simple steps to clean up your profile and remove unwanted posts. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Then, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile to access more options. From the menu that appears, select Manage Posts. You will now see a list of all your posts. To delete multiple posts, simply tap on the ones you want to remove. A checkmark will appear next to each selected post. Once you have chosen all the posts you want to delete, tap on the trash icon at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear, confirming that you want to delete the selected posts. Tap on Delete Posts to permanently remove the selected posts from your profile. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can quickly and efficiently delete multiple posts on Facebook with your Android device. Keep your feed clutter-free and only showcase the content you want to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy scrolling.